and then you turn it on. So I have my cup of water.
I'm excited for this.
Me too. I put that much. It doesn't give you instructions, so.
It's like a real washing machine.
Okay, ready? 2, 3, 4. That's a lot. I feel like that'll give it a good shot at working. And since this is clearly the nasty end, oh, I think I put too much.
I think you did the perfect amount.
Okay, I think I'm gonna hold. There we go. It closes. It closes just fine. Are we ready?
Push it.
3, 2,
hold down the lid.
1. It's closed all the way.
Okay.
Oh, but it's maneuvering it. Like the beauty blender's like really getting a twist. Oh, guys,